So how do you clone apps on your Android phone? Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So there are actually more things you need to know about it. So first of all, if we go to the settings and find the advanced features in here, you should be able to find dual messenger. And when you get it there, and if you have some app which supports it, for example, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, and Messenger are the apps for me, you can essentially enable the double or dual messenger. So for example, I currently have one WhatsApp app on my phone which I can use normally, right? But what I can do is that inside of the settings I enable another version of the WhatsApp. So I'm going to install it like this, and it's going to turn on the WhatsApp and it will add it another time. So that is useful if you have, for example, two phone numbers with WhatsApp. You can see it is now active, and part of the app drawer I'm gonna have one WhatsApp, the original one, and the second one right there. So that's something you're gonna do very nicely, right? You can just multiply apps like this, right? And that's the first thing. Outside of that, you can also notice that I have the work apps below. So in the control center and at the top, when I go there and enable the work apps like this, you can see that we have to kind of like make it active. Sometimes it works better than other times, but the point is that there is also the ability to have the work apps on the section. So as you can see, I have the personal apps and work apps, and those also have like their separate instance, right? So as you can see, it is now probably active, right? So we turn it on, and now we can essentially have like two sets of apps, right? And you can see that we have the ability to kind of like work with it and get it over into the work apps. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know what you think below in the comments. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.